Hey everyone, in this video we will talk about the common report actions associated with the report in the Power BI service. So let's start. I'm already logged into the Power BI service and I'm clicked on the reports tab in my workspace, and you can see I've got a lot of these reports here. So what are the common actions which are available for the reports? We'll just go through them. So the first action, the first action is view usage metrics, which essentially shows us how the various reports in your organization are being viewed, which medium is being used to view those reports, how these reports rank in your organization, how many views you're getting on a daily basis. So it's just the usage metrics, and it can be fairly useful. So if you want to see, you've productionized a report and you want to see how the users are viewing a report, or let's say you've got a UAT phase going on and you want to check how testing is happening, whether anyone's even testing the reports, or once you've got the report productionized, is anyone using it? So this is a pretty good and useful tool in that case. You can share the reports obviously, so you can click on this and you can enter the email ID of anyone in your organization and it picks it up and you can send and share the report with them. You can analyze the report in Excel. So essentially you can download the connection and then you can use that connection in an Excel file. So essentially Excel locks into your data model, and then you can analyze the data in Excel, building pivot tables. Quick Insights. So Quick Insights is a fairly useful tool. What it does is Microsoft's got some machine learning algorithms, and those machine learning algorithms basically run on top of your data set, which gets exported with the report, and it comes out with its own set of visuals, which are fairly good, some of them, and it gives you good ideas as well. So let's say you've built a report and you're not sure, for example, hey, you might have missed some visual, or you might have missed a trick, and when you do Quick Insights, it could come up with 3 or 5 or 10 visuals, and you could probably like one of them and go, hey, why didn't I think about it? And then you can push it or pin it on your dashboard. So a fairly useful feature. Then you've got view related. So if you click on it, you can basically see what is the dashboards associated with the report, or you can see what data sets this report hinges off. So if you want to figure out the lineage for the report, and if you're going to do an impact analysis, this is a fairly good tool. I think the rest of them, you delete the report and then you can save a copy of the report, and there are some report settings, not as useful, but the first 4 or 5 features are really, really good and handy. So in this video, we've discussed the common report actions on a report in the Power BI service. I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. Do let me know if you'd like me to take any specific topics. Cheers. Bye.